Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. A while ago, I made a video about the largest scholarship in Brazil, and a lot of people got the information, they applied, and so many people got the scholarship. I want to say a big congratulations to all those people that applied and got the scholarship. I'm wishing you the best. And if you applied and you didn't get the scholarship, don't stop trying. The final result is out, and there is also a waiting list. That means these people that got it this year, if any one of them did not come or did not kind of show interest anymore, they are going to pick from the people on the waiting list. So if you are seeing this video or you are coming to this channel for the first time, you are warmly welcome. I want you to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and you can hit the notification button so that you can always stay abreast of information that we share on this channel. So let's take a look at the scholarship. So the first thing we're going to do is to come to the website, the Brazilian website, the Brazilian Ministry of Education website, where the result is published. So right now I'm on the website, and that is where you can see this beautiful lady smiling. If you got the scholarship, of course, this should be the kind of smile on your face. And if you didn't get it, like I said, don't worry, the next one you will get it. And if you know someone that is interested in studying for undergraduate in any course in Brazil through PEC-G, I want you to drop a comment. We would also be able to bring this kind of information. This particular channel and other channel on YouTube made video about PEC-G when it came out, and like I said, a lot of people applied. Some people, they got the information and they, one way or the other, they couldn't apply, but the bottom line is that any information shared on this platform is genuine, and I would want you to take it seriously. Most times the information are time sensitive, so it is important for you to quickly do everything you need to do about the information you are getting before it is late, right? Having said that, let's quickly read what is written. But I'm so sorry, before we proceed, I also like to let you know that this year is is the first time PEC-G is admitting the highest number so far. And this year is the first year they are having the highest number of admitters, the highest number of students. Secondly, this is the first year that all the states in Brazil will be receiving students from overseas. So what I mean by all the states is that in all the states, one university or the other is admitting PEC-G students according to the Ministry of Education, according to what they say, according to the statistics of people that applied this year. Now let's take a look. It says final result of the Student Partnership Program announced. 1,390 people of 49 nationalities were selected for the undergraduate PEC-G and Portuguese as a foreign language PEC-PLE modalities. For the first time, all Brazilian states, you can see that, all Brazilian states will receive international participants in the program. That means one school or the other from all the states will be admitting students under PEC-G program. It goes further. It reads, the Ministry of Education, in partnership with Ministry of Foreign Affairs, released the final result of 2025 edition of the Student Agreement Program PEC, which is known as PEC-G, right? And Portuguese as a foreign language PEC-PLE modalities. The list of selected candidates can be found on this portal. And I'm going to drop this link so that when it is time for you to check, if you are yet to see your name, you can check through the link in the video description box. It says there are 1,390 students from 49 nationalities who will take courses in Brazil starting next year. For the first time, all states in the country will receive international students from the program. The courses with the largest number of PEC participants are nursing, that is, most people applied to for nursing program, followed by administration, followed by medicine. If you have been trying so hard from your country to study medicine and you couldn't find your way, please try to apply to PEC-G in Brazil. Computer engineering, dentistry, civil engineering, international relations, agronomy, economics, and architecture. In total, 166 different courses will receive students, with a balance between the areas of exact sciences, which is 37%. So I'm not going to waste your time too much because the analysis are already done on this website. So I'm not going to do any pie charts for this particular results, just like I did for the GCUB. Biology sciences 31%, and human sciences and arts 31%. Of the people selected, 50% are women. Look at that. 50% are women. That means the remaining 50% are men. Oh, I beg your pardon. It could be between men and the other genders. You know, now we have more than two genders. We have women, we have men, and we have the trans. And okay. So that means the 50% are either shared by the men and trans or by men alone. So, and 85% come from African continent. 85. Look at that, people. This is one of the powers of publicity. Okay, this is why it is good to publicize information. PEC-G has been existent for a very long time, but few people know about it. In fact, some people that know about it, instead of them to make it public, they kind of extort people with all these kind of free opportunities. It's not good. So if you have a cousin, take for instance, you don't want to do any undergraduate course anymore. If you have a cousin, you have a brother, and you would like the person to come to Brazil to study next year, please, I want you to drop a comment, because I'm doing research and I'm trying to bring information to you on this channel. So if you'll be interested, I would like you to drop a comment. Having said that, I would also like to let you know that PEC-G is one of the easiest admission or scholarship process. Like, you're not writing any exam. All you need to do is to drop, if you are coming from Nigeria, for example, all you need to do is to submit your WAEC results, submit other documents like someone that can stand for you, like a proof of funds, and some other document, date of birth, because you must be 18 years at least. You must be 18 years, and I think the max age is 35. When I was making the video, I remember I talked about the age requirement. I can't remember right now, but it should be between 18 years to 35, right? So if it is you or someone that you know that will be interested, I want you to I want you to stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are yet to. If you have a cousin, like I said earlier, if you have a brother, if you have whoever that would like to study in Brazil, like, let me clarify further. You don't have to understand Portuguese before you can enroll under PEC-G. If you don't understand if you don't understand Portuguese at all, just like the way I was when I was coming to Brazil, you can still apply for PEC-G. In that case, your own will be PEC-PLE. PEC-PLE is you are going to study Portuguese for 1 year. After that 1 year, you will write an exam called CEP-BRAS. It's a language proficiency exam. Once you pass, then you will start your 4 years or 6 years program. So that is why you are seeing PEC-G and you are seeing PEC-PLE. That is just the difference. PEC-G is for people that PEC-G is for people that that understand Portuguese already. Example, people from countries like Mozambique, Angola, Haiti, or other countries where they speak Portuguese. But if you are coming from country where they don't speak Portuguese, for example, you are coming from Pakistan, or you are coming from any country in West Africa where they speak French or English, you will apply for PEC-PLE. That means you are going to be enrolled for Portuguese language for a year, and thereafter you will start your PEC-G. We have a lot of them in my school right now, learning Portuguese day by day, and after that they are going to write exam. And guess what? Learning of the Portuguese for the 1 year is going to be free. Imagine that. I'm not going to take your time like I mentioned, guys. Let's proceed. Student Partnership Program. It says it was created in 1965. The PEC-G will celebrate its 60th anniversary in 2025 and is one of the oldest and most important instruments of foreign policy and support for internalization of Brazilian higher education institutions. Without claiming exclusivity, the initiative facilitates access by participating institutions to foreign candidates by offering the MRE network of offices abroad as a point of dissemination. That MRE is Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Contact and collection of documentation from interested students. So if you are going to participate in PEC-G, all you need to do is just to send your WAEC. For example, if you are coming from Nigeria, send your WAEC, or if it is NECO, your what's it called? This one that is like a transcript. I forgot the name right now. But like testimonial, testimonial. Then like a proof of fund for someone that is going to be supporting you, and send it to Brazilian consular office in your country, and that's all. That's all. Now it says among the most famous alumni is the current president of Cape Verde, Jose Maria Neves, who studied administration at Getúlio Vargas Foundation in the 1980s. I was even saying PEC-G has been existing for the past 10 years. It has been in existence for a long time, and it's going to be 60. Like they have been in existence for the 59th years now. PEC-G is 59 years old. In 2025, it will be 60, and they're going to be celebrating their anniversary. So guys, don't sleep on this. Once again, I'm wishing those people that got the scholarship congratulations, and if you didn't get it, don't lose hope. You can wait for the waiting list, or you can also apply next year. There's a waiting list actually for PEC-G. So one of those people that got it that I know is Tujuka. Tujuka, congratulations. Esther, congratulations. Emmanuel, congratulations. Joseph, congratulations. Titi, congratulations. Abdul Amin, congratulations. So I know so many people that got the PEC-G. I have so many people from Pakistan, many people from Nigeria, and so many other people. Some people from IT, some people from Mozambique, some people from Angola. So many people, but Angola seems to be the country with the highest number of recipients. So every one of you, congratulations. Now let's take a look at the results. And so this is the results. Fortunately, I don't know why. Could it be alphabetical order, or for no reason? For a reason I can't explain. The first school on the list is my school. The first school on the list is my school. And the name of this person is Adriana Siri Esther Komban Zabi. He's from Gabon, and he's going to be studying I think something engineering. He's going to be studying biomedical engineering, okay, at UFPA. Actually, this person is going to study, okay, his own is PEC-PLE, as you can see, 2026. So for the rest of 2025, he will be learning Portuguese, and thereafter, if he passes, he will start his program. On and on like that. But the school with the highest number of candidates from the statistics is USP, University of São Paulo. Then we have other university like University of Brasilia. Then we have some other university like University of Rio de Janeiro, and some other universities like that have highest numbers of recipients. So guys, that's the video for today. Remember to give it a thumbs up, remember to like, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Like I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in PEC-G for the next year, I want you to drop a comment. And if you are also interested in doing a postgraduate, if you are interested in doing your postgraduate in Brazil, I want you to drop a comment, because on this channel you're going to be getting vital information that is going to help you to make good and adequate decisions, right? Having said that, guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I will see you in some other videos that are coming. Thank you. Stay safe. Ciao, ciao.